Hi guys, welcome to aclaireytale and welcome to the Drury Plaza Hotel here at Disney Springs. In this vlog I thought I'd give you a tour of the hotel, show you all its amenities, give you a room tour and show you what an amazing time we've had here. We have stayed here for 7 nights. I'm going to put the total of what we paid for the 7 nights here so you can see what we paid, and we have thoroughly enjoyed our week here. We have had such a good time. We have had no complaints whatsoever. Everything we have to say about this hotel is positive, and I wanted to show you. And if you are thinking of staying here in the future, hopefully this vlog will help you. I was recommended this hotel by one of you guys and I can't thank you enough, because honestly we have had such a good time. There are so many good things about this hotel. I cannot recommend it enough. Firstly, where it is situated. It is just around the corner from Disney Springs. The hotel is a Walt Disney World partner hotel, which means that there are free shuttles to the parks, which is amazing. They give you a timetable of when you check in and they're so frequent. So if you didn't want to drive or you don't have a car, there are free shuttle buses every day, all day long to the parks. The rooms have been newly renovated as well. I'll show you a room tour in just a moment, but they're so spacious, so clean and fresh. We've had such a good stay there. And then also you get free breakfast, free dinner and snacks and fizzy drinks, and 3 free alcoholic drinks a day. I will show you a lot more detail of that in just a moment. But what amazing perks to your stay here, and for what we paid, I just thought it was a really good deal. So let's go and show you around. So here we are outside the Drury Plaza Hotel at Disney Springs. This is the outside of it. There is a car park here, and you've also got a car park over here as well. There's plenty of space. This hotel was full last night and we're still able to park. Parking is $28 per night, and you just pay that at the end of your stay. Let's go in. So as you walk in, you've got a very large, spacious, open and bright lobby. If you walk to this side, you're able to put your luggage in storage here, but they actually have a little photo opportunity, which is here, with these giant ears and a lovely Disney backdrop there. And then you're also able to make some coffee. So you've got coffees and teas here as well. And then on this side, you have got the arcade. It looks like it's currently closed, but there's lots of machines in there. Walking through here, you've got lots of seating areas. And then this is called Kitchen and Bar. And there is a really nice bar here, really big, really open, lots of spaces. There is a desk here where you can buy tickets, park tickets and things, and then there is a little shop. So the marketplace, they have coffee that you can purchase and snacks, and then some souvenirs, food, and toiletries, things you might have forgotten maybe. Everything that you usually see in a hotel shop really. Then if we go outside, I can show you the pool area. So we've got seating here for snacks. There's a little restaurant here, the Lakeside Bar and Grill. So if you want to get any snacks and drinks, you can grab them there. They have lots of seating areas here. Again, so much space, it just feels so open. And then this is the pool. I won't be able to get too close because there are people in it, but it's a pretty large pool. I might be able to get a better view from when we're upstairs. But there's also a jacuzzi as well in that top corner. There's a kids splash area just here. And yeah, it's just a really popular pool actually. We've seen it pretty full throughout the day. There's also a conference centre here at Drury Plaza, and you can just see the sign for it here, Drury Conference Centre. Right, let's go upstairs. We have 2 lift shafts, the Cypress Tower and the Palm Tower. We are on the Cypress side, so we'll go up there in a minute. But just show you around here as well. We have got another seating area. There are restrooms here, and also this is where we've been filling up our bottles every day with water. They have filtered water just here, which has been really handy. And down here is the way to the conference centre. They also have this area here for the mobile or online food and grocery deliveries on these little shelves. With it being a Walt Disney World partner hotel as well, we have artwork like this everywhere. Look at that, isn't that stunning, of the parks. There's also pictures of the parks on the lifts too. Magic Kingdom there, Hollywood Studios. But we are going to go upstairs. So we are staying on the 10th floor, but I'm just going to show you the 2nd floor. So we're here on the 2nd floor. I'm going to show you that side in a moment, but let's go over here. This is where the fitness center and the laundry is. So this is the guest laundry. Let's have a little look. So we have done a load while we have been here. They've got washers and dryers, and it was $4 for the machine and then $4 for the dryer. And you're also able to purchase your soap here as well. And then next to the laundry, you've got the fitness center, and it's fairly large. Lots of machines in there. And then on this side, this is where you would get your free breakfast, your snacks, your dinner, and your drinks at night. It's closed in the daytime, but what I'll do is I'll insert some clips now of breakfast. So let's have a little look at what's available at breakfast. It's very busy, but you can have soda, we've got paired water, Fanta, Sprite, Diet Coke, Coke. You've got teas, hot chocolates. Then you've got all the juices, orange juice, cranberry juice, apple juice, and then coffees as well. And then it's repeated. Then let's go and have a look at the food. So in this section we have got hard-boiled eggs, yogurts, oranges, bananas, apples. These are all the whole fruits oranges again. We have got scrambled eggs, veggie scramble, breakfast potatoes, and we've got sausage as well, like little sausage patties. On this side we have got the famous Mickey waffles, and they smell incredible. And they have butter and syrup for your Mickey waffles as well. Over here we've got pancakes, syrup, butter as well. And then here we've got biscuits and gravy. So it's repeated over on this side. You've got sausages, potatoes. So over here we've got bread and bagels for toasting. There's a toaster here. And then on this side you've got jams, butters, and that's peanut butter. We've got 4 different cereals: Cheerios, Lucky Charms, Raisin Bran, and Rice Check. We've got yogurts and then all this milk there that you can use to fill up your cereal. We've got fruit here, fresh fruit. We've got another toasting section here for your bread and toast and jams. And then here we've got English muffins and blueberry muffins. So while we're here, I'll show you the dinner options and the alcoholic drinks options as well. So the dining options here, we've got salad, lettuce here, tomatoes, cheese, and all the salad dressings. Look at the nacho station. We've got all the salsa, nacho cheese here as well. Then on this side, we've got mixed vegetables. We've got penne pasta. Ooh, look at that. Alfredo sauce. Oh, you can just fill your pasta up with the sauce. And then we've got grilled chicken slices. Oh, that looks like really good chicken. We've got baked potatoes. Oh, wow. Are they both? Oh yeah, both full of baked potatoes. And then you can put cheese on, bacon bits, butter and sour cream. And then over here we've got hot dogs and buns, ketchup, mustard. There's broccoli cheddar soup and then garden vegetable soup as well. And this is the bar. So this is where you get your 3 free drinks a day. And you can choose from these alcohols. They've got everything. This is the drinks menu, but you can choose any of those liquors there. Vodka, gin, rum, scotch, tequila, whiskey. And you've got popular drink selections here. That cherry vodka sour looks good. Bloody Mary, Tom Collins, margarita. And then all those wines. And then the mixers, and then they're the beers. So a lot of choice. So that's the 2nd floor. Now let's go up to the 10th floor and I'll give you a room tour. So on the 10th floor, I love this view so much. Look, we've got a view of Disney Springs. We've been watching the balloon go up and down. You can also see Epcot over there, the Epcot resorts, Swan and Dolphin. And then on this side, you can see the Contemporary just there. So we've got a pretty cool view here. Disney Springs, you can just see how close we are to Disney Springs from this angle. And then if I show you down here, now you can see the size of the pool a bit better. So there's the pool, there's the jacuzzi, and there's the kids splash area. And then all the seats and tables and chairs and things. But as you can see, it's a pretty big pool. So we have been staying in 1007. Let's have a little look at the room. Right, so this is the room. This is pretty cool. Quick overview, and then let's go in a bit more detail. So as you walk in on this left-hand side, you have got the iron and the ironing board, wardrobe with hangers. There's a laundry bag there, so they must have a laundry service. Icebox, I did see the big ice machine as we were going past. We've got a coffee machine here, tea bags, sugar, everything you need for coffee. There's a safe, there's even a microwave, and you've got a fridge here as well, which is great. What's this? Oh, it's just a stool. Some storage space here. We've got a sink outside of the bathroom, so I'm sure that's going to be handy. It's got a soap bar, towel, big mirror here. I love the Orlando artwork. And then on the right hand side, we've got the bathroom. So we've got another big sink area here. Tissues, towels, there's a hairdryer, which is great. The toilet, more towels, and then here is the shower, which looks good. A nice big shower. And what we've got here, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Some hooks here as well. And then the main room, here is the bed, big king size bed. This looks brilliant. Bedside tables, we've got a clock on this side, lamps. Let's see if we've got any sockets and things. So we've got sockets in this, 2 USBs and 2 plugs. Some more drawer space. And then I'm guessing this is the same on this side. Yeah, we've got 2 sockets, USB and a USB-C as well. The drawer here. Then we've got this space here for sitting. You've got 2 seats and table, lamp, and then we've got a desk area here with a massive television. That is huge. And another mirror, long length mirror here. Put your case. Let's have a look at these drawers. So we've got really good storage space, which is great because we're going to unpack fully. We've got 7 nights here, so we're going to unpack and make ourselves feel at home. The oranges. And let's take a look outside. This is our view. I think some rooms do have a Springs view, but it's that way Springs. So when you check in, they give you this little welcome pack with all the timings of everything. So firstly, you've got this sheet here, which gives you the times of the buses to the parks, water parks and Disney Springs. And it also shows you the times of it coming back as well. And as you can see, they're very frequent. So they're the buses. Then it also gives you a schedule of the breakfast. So breakfast is from 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. Then from 5:30 till 7:30, that is when you have this, they call it a kickback. And that is your 3 free alcoholic drinks a day. And they give you this little kickback drinks card. So it tells you the time, tells you where to go and what to do. And then on the other side, it tells you, there's like a checklist of how many you've drank. So they'll just mark off if you have used them. And they're your 3 free drinks and the days that you're here. And then the evening meal is during this time as well. And there's also popcorn and soda from 4 till 8. And I'll put in a clip now of us picking up some popcorn. So you pick up your little popcorn bag and help yourself to some popcorn. So I was just doing that now. That is so cool. There's salt as well if you want to add salt. So I've got my popcorn, and then you can help yourself to soda. You've got Pib Extra, Fanta, Sprite, Coke, Diet Coke, and then they have coffees as well. Coffees, teas and hot chocolates. And then the final thing they give you in this little welcome pack is a passport to savings. In here there are coupons to mostly Disney Springs. Look, 10% off Ghirardelli's. There's coupons and maps and tells you when happy hours are, discount off shopping, 20% off coupons, 15% off at STK. So that's cool as well. And then finally is the menu of that kitchen and bar that I showed you at lobby. They've got the menu here. So if you're wanting any food, there's also Pizza Hut pizzas here as well. How cool is that? So much choice. Well, thank you so much for watching this Drury Plaza Hotel vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's helped you if you're looking to stay here, or if you stayed here before, let me know below what you thought of it. I would love to hear from you. Please like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that hype button. It really helps my channel. And we'll see you for the rest of our Florida vlogs. Oh, there's one of the free buses. Bye.